Hello everyone, welcome to Animix World. In today's class, I'm going to explain you how you can use the on-demand lesson feature, especially if you don't have any unique topic related to your course, including in your syllabus. This features allows you to request new lessons directly from your instructor. If your requested topic is unique, then within 3 to 4 days, a class will be created and uploaded to your course. First, log in with your ID and password. After login, go to your dashboard panel. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see an option called On-Demand Lessons. Click on that option. Once you click on it, you'll be able to select your course directly from the list. Choose the course for which you want to raise on-demand lesson request. After selecting your course, enter the topic you want a class on. For example, please make a UI UX class for mobile app. Then, in the description box, explain your topic in detail, either in Hindi or English, depending on your course language. Be as specific and clear as possible. If you have any reference links such as images, YouTube videos, or any other resources, you can paste them here to help the instructor to understand your topic better. For example, right click on an image, select copy image address, and then paste the link in the given box. After entering all details, click Submit Request. Once your request is submitted, the instructor will review it from their on-demand dashboard. You can track your request status under My On-Demand Request. Here your request will shown as processing until the instructor takes action. If the instructor finds your topic unique, they will accept your request. However, if the topic already exists in your course, they may cancel it and mention the reason, for example, topic already available in class 47 and class 48. You will receive email notifications for every update on your request, whether it's accepted, cancelled, or completed. If cancelled, you will get an email like your request please make UI UX for mobile app has been cancelled. Reason already available, please check class 47 and 48. If accepted, you'll receive a confirmation email saying your request please make UI UX for mobile app has been accepted by the instructor. If completed, once the class is uploaded, you will receive a message. Your request class please make UI UX for mobile app has been completed and uploaded. After receiving the completion email, log into your course again, go to dashboard panel. On-demand lessons section, and you will find your uploaded class there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Till then, bye bye and take care.